Hello everybody and welcome to the series of tutorials on programming with C++. In this series I will be giving a more advanced than usual introduction to programming in C++. From all the tutorials that you see, you might think that programming is simple, and there are many tutorials out there that give you a very brief look at programming with C++. However, most of the times they omit things that could be helpful or useful. So I will try to address these issues. I personally learned programming the hard way, since I did not have a good guide and my field of expertise during my bachelor's was not relevant with programming. It was not until my PhD that I had to look into a lot of the caveats of programming, in particular of C++. That was the programming language that I predominantly used. Of course, this is a series of tutorials intended to go from the very basic to more advanced topics, but even within the most basic tutorials, I will be mentioning things that many existing tutorials do not necessarily consider. Another thing is that I will be developing the tutorials on my Mac using Xcode as the interactive development environment, or IDE for short. For sure, you can program in a format-free text editor and this will not change the final product. However, if you are working on larger scale programs, there is a big chance of having mistakes in the code, and this is fine, everybody makes mistakes programming, but IDEs have features that help to spot mistakes easier, if you know what you're doing, of course. So well, let's get started.